Mr. Truck here. I am in Kingston, Oklahoma at the CM Truck Bed Factory. We're going to install one of these aluminums on my truck bed, so we're going to use it for everything. Now here they make every kind of bed you can imagine. Service bodies, aluminum, steel, bale unrollers, anything you could want in a flatbed truck bed. And they're like #1 selling in these flatbeds. So they make a lot of them here. We're going to hopefully see an overall picture of them, but there's thousands of them here. We're going to put one of these aluminum ones on my truck and use it every day. We're going to haul hay with it, ATVs, gooseneck trailers. So come watch our review. Picture the air suspension while it's all off and naked.
You don't take it up, right? You take it up. I don't know, you gotta take it right. That's a metric load. Got that. I got it. Wow, when we go down, can we start forward? Okay, go ahead. What do you say?
Look at that.
Holy cow. You're shining light on your balls?
Yes, look at that. There's where your safety chain hooks to. Back side, and there's your plug-in. There's your 2 5/16 ball, the B&W. And then you got that really cool lid that flips over. You got an extruded bed. It's an inch thick. That's like almost like a honeycomb. It's a hollow piece that's grooved, tongue and groove together. Did you see the tongue and groove on there, Andre? That extruded piece is grooved together.
Probably one of the best creepers I've ever run.
We had one Jeepers Creepers made out of plastic. We wore that thing clear out. Open the door. Oh, awesome. It's got the gasket in, it's got that special T-handle on it, lockable, recessed gooseneck. And it's got the rub rail. Isn't that so cool? I love that. The gooseneck and flips over. Close that again. That looked pretty cool.
Am I a good model?
Yes. You can go back here to the LED lights, the receiver hitch. I love these recessed balls with
nice balls.
electrical connectors inside the recessed ball. This is a 14-inch by 14-inch.
Oh, yeah.
You got it in there?
All the way. All the way. There she goes.
It's all the way. Lights are on the trailer. Trailer lights are on. Yeah. Did you tie the safety chains?
Good.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Now let me see you tie the safety chains. These are the cool ones.
You can see him. Got like a fold out stick.
Wow, that's cool. You like that chain opening, Andre?
Huh?
Did you like that chain opening?
The chain opening is good.
Okay, good. That whole corner thing going on there. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the clearance here. This is what this is all about. You have a truck bed, it's sitting up here really close, ready to get the bed rail smashed. You don't have that problem with a flat bed. You got a usable bed. You can put toolboxes in the front. You can put a fuel tank up there. You got an extruded aluminum, beautiful flat bed with a recessed 14-inch by 14-inch hole for your gooseneck. That's where you hide your ball. Your greasy ball is not going to be up in the bed now. It's down below. Your safety chain's hooked there. Your trailer wiring plug hooks down in there, so you don't have to hang a cord over the back of the truck. You can actually put things on here and do the trailer. It's such an awesome way of doing things, and you're never going to bang up a bed again. This is the best way to do these gooseneck trailers on these newer, taller trucks.
I'm getting him on camera backing up a trailer.
Yeah, I think we probably are.
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Cool. This is the factory. Truck beds, I love them. I mean, you know, the new trucks now, especially the new Ford 17 and then Ram, they're tall. You hit your truck bed on your trailer. This one, you never have that problem. So instead of buying new beds that are the same as what you had, you get one of these aluminum ones like I like. This is kind of like the new aluminum Fords. Aluminum truck bed, steel frame. That's how these are. These are aluminum skin with a steel frame underneath it. An inch extruded metal on top, the recessed gooseneck ball, and all the compartments. So it's kind of like a crossbred between a flat bed and a service body. I like that. It's got the skirted wall, so it looks awesome. And I can put my four-wheelers on this. I can put my big square bales on this, and I don't tear it up. It's so awesome. This is what you need for your trailers too. No longer hit your fifth wheel, no longer hit your gooseneck trailers. Now these truck beds, I picked the ALSK. That's the aluminum body like this, the skirted flatbed, extruded aluminum deck. And this one could outlast several of my trucks. Now, CM makes several of these beds. They make ones that unroll your round bells. They make service bodies. They make flatbeds. They make anything you can imagine. And you can go steel, you can go aluminum. Mine here is rated at $26,500 for the gooseneck, and it's a B&W gooseneck. The bumper pull is rated at $14,500, and it's also a B&W receiver hitch. That's what they use, the B&W. So the bed outlasts all the trucks you can own, and you can add all your other toys to it. On the farm, I used to put a welder on here, a compressor on here, toolboxes on here, a vise, all that fun stuff. Haul your ATVs, haul your hay. The difference is clear. It's rolling change, built to work, built to last. I love these CM beds. And the headache rack with the brake lights. All that stuff. And it's gorgeous. And this is a 7 foot by 7 foot. But this, I've got my toolbox off my other truck in it. Put my four-wheeler on here, my ATV, that's 700 pounds, climbed right up there, so I can haul anything on this. But this is such a cool flatbed, and it has so many uses. I just love having a flatbed. I have so much more room for my gooseneck when I'm turning corners and not hitting the bed rail on top. This is the way to do it. I love this puppy. It only weighed 80 pounds more than my other bed. You figure hitches on both of them, that toolbox on both of them, 80 pounds is all I gained in weight, which is unbelievable for how much metal, aluminum and steel, 4-inch channel steel frame on it. I love it, from CM Truck Beds. Now this, on this CM truck bed, this new aluminum flatbed we have, that is so cool. The safety chain hooks are right on the very outside, so you just hook them on and go. Plenty of room. real easy to put on and take off. And then you don't have to add chain to it. Some of these newer trucks you have to add to your safety chains, and then you have to get it on your knees and crawl up there and try to find a place to put them. Of course, using our Gen Y torsion hitch, I use this on everything. We're testing this Gen Y torsion gooseneck cover. And we're using this CM bed, it's an aluminum bed, and the recessed box hole for a gooseneck is 14.5 by 14.5. And the gooseneck torsion of Gen Y is 14 by 14. But it won't be in the hole, it'll be above the hole. But to make it all fit and not clear anything, not hit anything, I'm going to take out the CM bed plate. This little door is what you cover it up so you can haul stuff. And I'm going to take out these two rods, and that's all there is to it. And now we can have plenty of clearance when I use the other part. It may clear it without it, but I just want to make sure we don't tear anything up. So we're going to try it without the door. Now this is cool. It's from the side of this CM bed. I can get my hand over and actually hook my safety chains without climbing up on my knees. Sometimes it's a little trickier to hook up the electrical plug, but you could do that.
I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Andre did it all from the side. That's pretty good. So you don't have to climb up on your knees, which nobody likes doing that. But yeah, with the CM bed, you got all this clearance between the truck canopy, the frame of the neck, and with the bed of the truck. My goodness, all kinds of room here. Lots of room, and you can move it, hook up your trailer from this side. I love this. There's our plug-in in front.
It's right there.
Yeah. Right there.
Tons of pickup truck questions, right?
Right. Where do we go for the answers?
We go to the Truck Nuts book.
Because we're truck nuts. And we wrote the book, Truck Nuts. We're nuts about truck. The ultimate guide to buying a truck, or to looking at a truck, or judging a truck. You know, whether it's diesel versus gas, new versus used, what your teenagers should learn about trucks, all that. You do all kinds of cool tests.
Yeah, we do a lot of testing. We do the iGauntlet, world's toughest towing test, up the mountain and down the mountain. We do MPG testing on the highway, loaded with trailers.
Yeah.
We do off-road testing. A lot of that data is in this book as well, and it's a one-stop shop for truck information.
That's true. We test trucks, maximum capacity, up to the biggest grades you can do on the interstate.
Yep.
So we really put them to the test. And, you know, you can get all the facts you can't find anywhere else. We do MPG tests, which you can't find on any sticker anywhere. So, you know, all that stuff that you can't find is in the book.
And you can find the book at trucknutsbook.com. There are links to Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and all the other bookstores as well.
So read about your truck nuts.